Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. First, open your Canva app. You can create a new design or just open your other design. Then go to the Apps tab on the left-hand menu and search for YouTube and select YouTube app. Here in the search bar, you can search for YouTube videos that you can use to your design. Aside from that, if you have already a YouTube link, you can just paste it here. I wanted to show you how to do that, so let's go to Chrome and go to YouTube. Then let's select this video and copy the link. Now let's go back to Canva app and let's paste the YouTube link here, and the video will automatically appear. Click the YouTube video and it will go to your design. You can also drag and move the video into your design. Aside from that, you can also resize it. And the most importantly, you can play the YouTube video inside your design. And that is how you embed a YouTube video in Canva. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe for more videos.